All right, sorry about the beeping on the truck. So that's the total miles on the truck right now, 1.2 million. The truck itself, or the engine, has a whole lot less on it. It's got 3406E in it. Total truck hours are 40,780. The engine, the new engine, has 847 hours. The rebuild engine, anyway. That's what I've been told, anyway. So, engine in the truck it's been rebuilt. This was a log truck. They are converting it to a tractor. They were converting it to a tractor. They're in the process of doing it. They thought they'd have it done before now, and they don't have it done. So they said it will be done by the time that it sells. They're working on it right now. This truck has full lockers, as you can see right there. It's got a 3406E model cat engine, so it has cruise control. It's a 1998. I'm gonna shut the battery off there. So there's all the lights. 13 speed in it. The knobs, they have those. I'll be putting it back in. So tilt steering. Does have the cat engine monitor in it. Does have a Coffin sleeper on it. It's kind of cool. This truck is pre-emissions, pre-ELD. It's got the heavier spec rear ends. It's got the cat engine in it, so it's got a lot of good pluses. It's got that little Coffin sleeper, which makes it really nice. You know, we're putting batteries in it, so the batteries are underneath the seat. But they're doing that. I guess I'm not. I'm just videoing, photoing, and I'll walk around the outside, show you everything. But it does have the rear window in it. Nice little Coffin sleeper.